How's it, guys and girls? Tonight we are on a farm and we're gonna do some night hunting tonight. We are looking for some scrub hare, maybe some spring hare and some porcupine. We will see what we're going to get tonight. It's going to be me, my dad and my brother who's going to take the shots, and we will be using the Daystate Red Wolf Safari. And unfortunately there won't be any scope camming because obviously it's night time. So we're going to do it the traditional style like we do it here in South Africa. One guy is going to drive the truck, one guy is going to use a spotlight, and the next guy will take the shot, and we will rotate. So hope you guys enjoy this one, so stay tuned.
With everything ready, we climbed onto the truck and started looking for the first animal of the night. A few minutes into the night, this eagle owl showed up, and I must say it's super nice to see them up close. After a while we spotted some eyes in the distance and decided to jump off the truck and walk a little bit closer. We walked about 400 meters and the first spring hare made its appearance at around 40 meters. It was a nice clean kill, and as my brother looked to his right hand side, he spotted another spring hare. I had to take aim over his shoulder and squeeze the trigger.
Okay, so this is the first spring hare I ever shot. Range wise, it should be around maybe 50 plus meters. I managed to smack one back there somewhere, so we're quickly gonna walk to that side and see if I can get that one as well. This is one of the holes of the spring hares. Now there's a massive colony here because spring hare have colonies. This hole is extremely deep. If I must guess, it's around 3 meters roughly, very close to 3 meters deep. So the farmer here actually has cattle and stuff, so you can just imagine if one of the cattle have to walk around here and step in one of these holes, it will break its leg completely. So it's always good to take care of the numbers when you have something like this around. Okay, this is the second one. It's actually the first one that I shot, but when we looked to our right hand side, more to the upper side, we saw the first one that I went to pick up. This one, for the video purposes, I'm not going to flip around, but it was a nice headshot, estimated at around 40 meters or so. So these 25 grain JSB pellets are freaking devastating out of this Daystate Red Wolf Safari, giving me around 50 foot-pounds of energy on low power. So let's take these ones to the truck and hopefully I'll smack a couple more.
So back on the truck, I handed the Daystate Red Wolf Safari to my brother and we headed off to a new area, not sure what we're going to find. After a few minutes we spotted a scrub hare, but unfortunately it was a clean miss. But after this, things happened very fast.
Nice. Nice. That's a sweet. Okay, so my brother just shot a nice porcupine at around 25 meters or 20 meters or so. This actually brings me to this whole myth around porcupines that they shoot their barbs at someone, which is totally false. They actually run fast, and if you run after them or a predator run after them, they will actually stop dead and you will run into them. So that story about them shooting their barbs is actually a false story. This one, when it got shot, you can actually hear the rattle in its tail. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it on the video, but that's just a sign when it dies. The tail rattles. The tail also rattles when they are in danger, just to try to scare off their predators as well. But congratulations, Dion. This is a really nice one, and we're gonna definitely take this one home and strip it down, and I think my dad is probably gonna put it on the spit price. So thanks, Dion. Hopefully we can have a nice dinner with this one.
With my father taking over from my brother, we drove for more than an hour spotting nothing at all, and we decided to call it a night.
Okay guys and girls, we're going to wrap it up for tonight. It is actually 1:45 in the morning. It was fairly quiet tonight, but we still managed to get 2 spring hare, and my brother shot a very nice porcupine. The Daystate Red Wolf Safari performed excellent. We tried to stay in 50 meters because it was very difficult to range or estimate the range at night, but with low power setting we still had plenty of power, close to 50 foot-pounds of energy, so it was way more enough to take down these animals. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.